Yeah, now only I'm recording it. Now, can you try it out, Vyas?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So first one has to know himself about himself very well, sir. Like what is his strong areas, what is his weak areas, and for which post he is gonna apply. If he is going to apply for as a PO, he should first of all know the job and responsibilities of a PO, and one has to be well versed in the banking awareness, the general banking awareness.
No. This point you elaborate. Elaborate on the point. One should be aware of oneself. That can be seen from the material I have given you, known as most common interview questions.
Yes, sir. If he is a fresher,
yeah, he is a
most of
fresher
the
only.
questions, yes, most of the questions will be from the in his academic background, either from MBA or from his undergraduate, because he has no like working experience. So most of the questions will be that from that. So he has to prepare from that very strongly, and technically he must be strong because he don't have the working experience now. So that the first point is that he should be strong in the technical part, and he himself should know able to market himself, sir, that he can be he can do any kind of work that the bank will give. Basically he should market himself in the interview, sir.
He should be able to sell his skills to the interviewers.
Yes, sir. Interviewer.
Yeah. Any other point you would like to say? Come on.
And depends on the roles and responsibility of the bank. He should also know about the banking part only. Banking part, sir. Right from check to the current affairs that is going on today. He should well versed in the current affairs of day to day that is happening around him, sir.
Okay. Good.
I think
why are you hesitant? I expected much more good flow from you. Much more good flow from you. For example, how to succeed in a bank interview. Supposing you want to talk for about 2 minutes, how will you talk?
Have like talk to that only, sir.
Not sufficient. Yeah. Now I will go to Akshay Mogan. Akshay Mogan, you have been with us for last 2 or 3 days. Na? When did you join, Akshay?
So the day before yesterday.
Day before yesterday. From whatever you have heard for the last 2-3 days, now what are your suggestions regarding preparation for the interview?
So from my side.
Yeah, you tell from your side. Mr. Vyas told some points. I will supplement them later on. Now, from your point of view, what are the points you would like to say? Why I am asking like this? The basic skill required for succeeding in interviews, especially federal bank interview, is good communication skill in English. Could you follow, Akshay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, please tell, how should one prepare for interview? Based on last 2-3 days, you have been with us for at least half an hour each day.
Sir.
Yeah, tell.
So, sir, basically we should know, like all the technical, mostly the technical aspects when it comes to a bank, like all those things regarding.
Technical means?
Technical means, sir, what are, what is SIP, what is NPS?
You mean to say, yes, technical points relating to banking and related areas. Sir. Okay.
Related.
Then.
And also at the same time, you should know what the current affairs. I mean, like what all things has happened in the what are the current situations which is happening in the like suppose if you are looking in the India, like if you are looking at the banks of India, like you should be able to know the daily news. And like if you are not aware of it, then I think you're gonna fall short of or maybe you won't be able to make, like you won't be able to connect those expectations which you have. So
Akshay Mogan, you are an MBA student.
Okay.
Final year student. This
Yes,
is
sir.
not a very tough topic. It's a very simple topic. Why don't you talk in good English without any break? You are talking as if you are talking to your friend. You are repeating the same points once, twice, thrice. This type of attempt may not be recognized by the interviewers. So try to present it seriously. These are the points one should follow if he wants to succeed in interviews. Please tell. Akshay Mogan.
Yes, sir. Sir, basically, sir, coming to like all those technical things, technical terms which is involved in a bank, coming from the for example, it's overdraft. What is the current banking interest rates? And so at the same time, you should know like the everyday news. You should
Okay.
be able to follow like all those news which is happening. And at the same time,
No. Listen.
yes, sir.
In interviews, the question is like this: how to succeed in interviews? You have to cover the broad outlines only here and not go into the details of subheadings.
Okay.
Supposing I ask you what are the subjects you are studying in your +2, you will tell me English, physics, maths, chemistry, computer science. That's all. You will not go into English, computer science. In computer science, about say hardware, software, then about DBMS, about CBase. So you should not talk like that.
Okay. Okay, sir.
You should highlight. That's the mistake I found in Vyas also. The question was, what are the various ways by which we have to improve our this thing? You will just tell the broad
Yes, sir.
outlines only.
Sir, shall I tell now, sir?
Yeah, now try.
So, like, first of all, one has to know himself about himself, sir, before attending the interview. And the interview can be classified into broadly three ways, sir. The questions can be asked from these three categories, sir. The first is basic HR question, and the second one is technical question. The technical that can be either banking or with their academic qualification, and third one is like current affairs, sir. So the most of the questions can be fitted into the three categories. So the basic HR
This is what I wanted. This is the correct explanation. So the broad classification of areas in which one has to prepare for an interview is about himself. But this about himself will further get divided into different areas. For example, it can be about his own degree, his own college, his own native place, his own family, about himself, strengths, weaknesses, etc. So likewise, the topic of about himself, about his district, about his village, about his state, like that, we can divide it from different angles. Could you follow, Mr. Vyas?
Yes, sir.
That is how one has to explain about that. Then after that, we will go into college. In the college, so many things. Sometimes there can be silly questions like you are from NIT. So which NIT? When was it started? What is the rank of this NIT in comparison to other NITs? What are the big achievements made in your NIT? Something like that questions can be there. Okay. So that is, so you have called very correctly. First question, Mr. Akshit Arkango, is that one should know about himself or herself, about his college, about his native place, about his family, like that. All those areas You must prepare from that areas. Now let me ask from Soumya. Soumya, you please tell a new candidate Akshit Kongo, what are the different areas, broad areas, don't go into details, over which an interviewee should prepare for ensuring success in the interview. Soumya.
Yes, sir. Sir, I think he should prepare about his strength, weakness, about his education background, means what he has studied. Then he should prepare about banking, basic banking terms. He should read the current affairs of last 4-5 days before interview. And he should know about budget little bit. And sir, this much is, I think, sir, sufficient.
Yeah. And I will add one more thing. Sometimes something related more specifically relating to your place. For example, last week a candidate attended a SIDB interview in which she was asked, what is the award which the collector of her district got? Because that was particular for her district only. Could you follow me? So that way you should prepare like this. Very good. Excellent. I think most of you have covered almost all the points. And I think, Soumya, did you come across some of our videos where I have covered all these points in detail? Which video, which date's video is that? Can you tell me?
Sir, I don't know, but I watched the Karnataka Bank PO playlist only, sir.
Achha, you went through all the videos of Karnataka Bank PO.
Yes, sir.
I think I will show you. I will show you. I am doing this for the sake of this boy who has joined today, Akshit, somebody. Here, you know, are you seeing on the screen something? I think this may not be visible for you now, because you will be in that one. Now I think you will see it. I think you will be seeing it. Now I think you are seeing. Akshit, are you now seeing a Word file before you?
Yes, sir, I can see it.
Yeah. So now this is what I have given you. What is your name, Akshit? Here, so many days I would have done like this, what I am doing today. This is also more or less like an intro class. For example, how to use SBI PO materials. If you go through this also, आपको पता हो जाएगा how you can make use of your own materials. I'm just trying to find out whether I can give you a federal bank interview, how to make use of federal bank interview videos like that. Just a minute. I will see that. But I am giving this material, but none of you are going through the materials. That is the problem. You are not preparing it. Federal PO Guidance Intro 21/12/2022. Mr. Akshit.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Yeah. This one, you please go through this 21/12/22. All of you note down these details. How should I do this? I will give this one in our Telegram page, paid Telegram page. I will give it so that after the class, you can go there and make use of it. So this is, you see, what is your name? NIT Akshita. जैसे आपने आया ना आज सुबह तो आया, आज शाम को तो आया. You came only today. Aisamapi, this girl came on a day and I brought her like this and I conducted a pakka introduction class for her. So if you go through that, aapko pata ho jayega. You have to take notes. Similarly, I don't know how this will be relevant. 3rd January, I have posted how to prepare. Maybe this also may be of relevance for you. let us see how this is going about now. Just a minute. I will share this one with you. And I will share the sound also from this. And let us see what is it I'm telling in this. Yeah, please prepare for self-intro for you in about 5 to 6 lines or even 10 lines. Be prepared for that. You will tell your name, you are from which place, and what is the degree you studied, what is the post-graduation you are doing, and if they still permit time, you can tell about your strengths, and you can also tell about your parents if they give time. Normally, they will not give time. They will cut you and then they will raise questions. See, for this candidate, what has happened? They have asked, what do you know about federal? So for answering this question, one has to go through federalbank.co.in, federalbank.co.in. That website, I'm sure you must have seen it many times.
Yes, sir.
And after going through that, you prepare a 10 lines or one paragraph material on this covering. Federal Bank was started in the year so and so by what is his name?
KP Horvitz.
KP
Yes,
Horvitz.
sir.
Yeah, and now the Federal Bank has got so many branches, so
Yes, sir.
many ATMs, so many cash recyclers. Then its chairman is, MD and CEO is Mr. Shyam Srinivasan, and its chairman is Mr. Balagopal. Its chief marketing officer is Mr. MBS Murthy. You tell that, and then you have to tell about whatever good things you are seeing here. You can also say Federal Bank has got now the number has changed. 1,27 lakh. Now the number has changed. I think you are seeing on the screen 1,61 lakhs. You can tell about that. And then when you go through this about us, you
Yes,
may
sir.
be able to get some ideas about this. You can also state your perfect banking partner is the tagline of our Federal Bank. Use the word of our Federal Bank. You say like that. They will feel happy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then you can also tell about about us. I will stop sharing this because I think you can read it. Yeah, I'm stopping this. I'm getting out of this. Yeah, this is what it is. Akshit. Akshit, could you follow now?
Yes, sir, I have followed.
Yeah, अभी बहुत कुछ देखना है, लेकिन you must allot time for this. You must allot time for this. If possible, you visit this class. But from my experience, I have seen seldom candidates have time to come in the night 8 o'clock. One, because somewhere near the dinner time. Two, somewhere they have got lot of arrears of work for preparation, for project or for examination. So people do not come. So again, you can find all these videos in our Telegram. I will be posting periodically in Telegram. Today also I have posted. Did any one of you go through that? Today I have posted from 13th April till 28th April. Do not worry whether it is Karnataka or federal. Both are same. You will read, but only thing different will be names of schemes will be different. Names of personalities will be different. And then figures for various banks will be different. Other than that, banking is banking, and then balance, everything is common. about yourself, about your village, about your district, about your state, about our country, union ministers, about your state ministers, then about say current affairs, something related to sports, something not related to sports. But again, it all depends on the date on which you are going, the time at which you are entering, the mood of the interview group, and the confidence with which you communicate in the interview hall. 100%. That is what is the most important thing. So this is what it is. Akshay Mogan is there. Akshit has gone. Akshit is there. Good. Now that's right. Now regarding others, today only I conducted second interview for our, what is his name? Vyas. Now what about other? Soumya, your second interview also is over, correct?
No, sir, it is tomorrow.
Acha, theek hai. Good. Then what about Vinish? Vinish, your interview date is not known. So your
yes, sir. It was given. I have received the mail today. It was scheduled on 5th May, sir.
Arey bhai, itni jaldi?
Yes, sir.
Oh, then Vinish, you must take your first interview. When are you going to take it?
Sir, can I take it on Tuesday, sir?
Tuesday means you tell me in terms of
Second May, sir.
2nd
Yes.
May, 7:30 p.m.
Sir,
Okay.
is there any other slot before that?
The other slot is there. 1st May it is there.
Okay, sir. So please click on 2nd May, 7:30, sir.
2nd May. Why you don't want 7:30 p.m.?
Yes, sir. Actually, like for interview, I should go to some other place, sir, because in this environment, I can't take the interview, sir. As of now, full of network issues and all.
Good boy. Then what to do? Okay, for you, we will see. We don't request people not to come. That's all what can be done. That nothing else. Otherwise, okay, 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. on that.
Okay. Yes, sir. 5 p.m. we can.
5 p.m.
5 or 5:30.
5 p.m. is ideal. And you tell me your first 5 numbers.
939297.
Okay. So you please send a message to me confirming.
Yeah, sure, sir.
What
Sure,
is
sir.
that? 5 p.m. on 2nd this way. Okay, that's right. Good. Then okay, that is for Mr. Vinish. Yeah. First interview.
Sir,
second interview. What is the amount you paid? You paid 401?
405.
405.
405, yes, sir.
405 for Federal Bank, na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then second one, when would you like to have?
Can I have it on 4th, sir?
4th. Okay. 4th at what time? Again 5 p.m.
Yes, sir. 5 p.m. Yes.
I know you are a shy boy. First, Vinish. Every day I have been telling repeatedly, you must get over shyness. Get over shyness.
Sir, actually,
yeah. No, this is my duty.
I'm not feeling afraid to give on 8:30, sir, like in this time, because I would not be getting proper internet. I should go to library and I'll take the interview, sir. So that while I'm asking to put it before.
Okay, 5 o'clock. No problem.
I can access the library up to 7:30 itself.
Okay, done. That is done for you. No problem. Then Ravi Teja, for you, when is your interview date?
Sir, my interview is on 3rd May, sir.
So you have fixed schedules with me. You have taken one or
no,
2
sir.
marks?
One interview I have taken, sir. Second, it to be scheduled.
Second, can you take it on 1st May?
Yes, sir, I can. 1st
May, shall I make it? If you want my convenience, it will be 6:30 p.m. Correct?
Okay, sir. Any time is okay for me, sir.
6:30 p.m. Tell me first 5 numbers, Mr. Ravi. Sorry, Ravi Teja.
So 897132.
Only 897132. Okay, stop with that. Please send a message to me confirming my second interview on so and so date, sir, at so and so
Yes,
time.
sir.
Okay, Ravi
Sure,
Teja. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Then Akshay Mogan interview date is not known. Akshit Kongo also interview date not known. Yeah, everybody else completed. Now is a time for open questions. Now, whatever doubts you are having in your mind, you can ask. You will
hello,
have,
Sir,
yeah, tell me.
sir, I have a question. Like, sir, I like very less read current affairs. So how to cover the current affairs within a very less time? Like I have only 8 to 10.
Actually, full current affairs for 6 months is not required for interview purposes. They will ask current affair about what has happened today, what has happened yesterday, what has happened day before yesterday, what is going to happen tomorrow.
Okay.
So could you understand the message? What is the implication of my message? You need to go through the newspaper right from today, if possible. Say one newspaper thoroughly. If you can't go through one newspaper, if you come to our Telegram channel, I will be giving every day link of the April current affairs link. I have posted in that up to 28th. So, however, your interview will be dependent on your district, your subject, and what is happening in and around that time. Important relating to that. Samajh gaya?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Yeah, good. So that's what it is. Now, anybody else? Any other doubts, please?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, sir, I just want to know, sir, when you're participating for GD, sir, what all the things are we are supposed to be like focusing on? Like,
Acha, you are what is that boy? You are from IDBI, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your GD is already over, na?
No, sir. Like only our document verification is over, and of the only shortlisting has been over. So like we haven't received a date regarding and the next process is going to be GD and then the interview. So we haven't got any date or anything. So
what I can do you is, I will give you in the chat now. You please copy it. www.groupdiscussionideas.com. You please go to this site.
okay, sir.
If you go to this site, where are we now? We are here. Yeah, if you go to this side, groupdiscussionideas.com. If you go to this one, you will, I think you are not seeing the screen now. I am showing it to you. 1 minute. Are you able to see the screen? No.
No, sir.
If you look at it, this is the groupdiscussionideas.com. Here, you must go through what are the latest posts they are giving. Now the current topic is about celebrity endorsement products. See, many celebrities endorse a product and some problems happen as a result of that. What is their liability regarding that? For example, if Amitabh Bachchan says, I am using, say, Colgate toothpaste, and somebody uses Colgate toothpaste and suddenly his mouth becomes so big, some problem happens, then something like that. So what is the responsibility of people? That is that topic. So if you go through that, you will know. Similarly, effect of Chat GPT on journalism. This is the current topic. Chat GPT versus Google Bard. Google Bard is a Google's this one, artificial intelligence. Then biohacking. Then G7 likewise. Then all GD topics. All GD topics. These topics are all relevant. Reusable launch vehicle, China-Taiwan crisis, GST, then electric vehicle adaptation in India, India-Japan relations. Likewise, I would even recommend those who are not having GD also to go through all these topics. The reason is, if you go through these topics, you will be able to know some ideas. Supposing you read this one, Silicon Valley Bank collapse, you will know about the crisis that happened in America, which is very relevant for MBA students, which is very relevant for banking interviews sometimes. So though, please, if you go through the topics given here, all of you, irrespective of whether you are having GD or not, it will be helpful for you. And apart from this also, you can have, say, group discussion videos. If you put like that, you will get a lot of other videos of other companies also. And apart from others, you can have my own group discussion videos. I am giving you that one. This is what is mine. I am going here. Just a minute. Like that, but this much will do. You don't have to know fully these things. Good, excellent. Now, likewise, I think we have not discussed about sovereign gold bond scheme. Where is that? Here it is. Okay, in our I am not able to get it now. Business. I will. It is coming under. I will give you that later on. So you kindly message
Sir,
me.
other products.
Other products.
Sir,
no?
other products and services.
You kindly message me. Okay. Akshay Mogan. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you message me, I will send you Federal Bank group discussion videos, but they are totally irrelevant for you, because the way GD topics are conducted there, it is different. For you, what is required is South Indian Bank GD topics. If I can access South Indian Bank now easily, here it is. See South Indian Bank videos. I will give the link to you here for everybody. It's a common for everybody only. South Indian Bank videos. I am giving you this one in our chat itself now. Please download that, take it with you. I am also giving in our paid group. So you can go therein, and inside that, majority of it will be South Indian Bank interviews. And remember, they are not irrelevant for you, because that is also bank. But only when it comes to some special particulars like figures, names of schemes, etc., you have to choose a different one. But in that videos list, you will have group discussion videos also. You can make use of that also. Samajh gaya? Akshay Mogan.
Yes, sir.
What is more important, Akshay Mogan? I think I have already told you, groupdiscussionideas.com. Have you heard about this? Sorry, not that one. What is that? Justaminute.com. Have you heard about it?
Yes, sir. Jam.
Jam.
We are supposed to talk,
Jam.
talk for like a
random topic.
topic.
So
You're supposed to talk about that for like.
You go to justaminute.com and go through that and find out what are the topics you are getting and talk about that for at least 1 minute. 1 minute. My family, my strengths, my weaknesses, my close friend, my enemy, then my ambitions or my district, my state, my country. Likewise, you must be able to talk about any one of these topics, and that can be done by using 7 W's. Can anyone tell me what are those 7 W's about which I have been repeatedly telling in my classes?
What, where, why, when.
Good.
What, where, when, why, what, who. Two more.
Good. What, when, why, where, which, how, then which one I omitted? When did I tell you? Otherwise, let me write and see here. What, when, why, where, which,
who,
how, who. 7 ho gaya. So any topic you can analyze from this, any topic under the earth, savings bank. What is savings bank? Who is opening savings bank? What are the advantages of savings bank? Disadvantages of savings bank? No, there is not much of a disadvantage. Likewise, for whom this will be very suitable, how I can open a savings bank account. Finished. Auto loan. What is an auto loan? How auto loan is processed? Who are all eligible for auto loan? Then how should we approach for this loan? What are the application documents to be given for our auto loan? Finished. Likewise, you make out some sentences on that. That will do. Any topic, you tell me a topic, I will tell you what are all you can do about that topic. That's very simple. My college. What is the name of my college? When was it started? And how many courses are there in that? Who is the principal of that college? What are the extra facilities, privileges that are given in my college? What is the plus point of my college? What is the plus point of my placement department? Something like that, you can try to bring it out so that that becomes a paragraph writing for you. Could you follow Akshit now? Akshit.
Yes, sir.
Akshay Mogan.
Yes, sir.
So that is GD. GD is nothing but this. Not only that, after they're telling about that, then what you will do, you will come across, based on the topics they have discussed, you can form your own sentences and then try to make about it. Now we can have a mini GD on that, though this is not for all these people are not going for GD. We will have GD in a different form now, especially Vyas, Soumya, Ravi Teja, and others who are seniors as far as this class is concerned. Please discuss what is banking. You will talk only 1 or 2 sentences, stop after that. Come on, we will start with Vyas. What is banking? Excuse me. Vyas is not here. Chala gaya. Oh, Vyas has gone. All others have gone. Even I think our Soumya internet is gone and Vyas internet is gone because they are belonging to Karnataka Bank. So they thought it not relevant. So they have gone. Doesn't matter. Now all of you are Federal Bank only. All of you here. Anybody is Karnataka Bank? Nobody.
I am there, sir. Ravi Teja.
Ravi Teja, you are for Karnataka Bank. Correct?
Yes, sir.
No problem.
Yes, sir.
Now you start the discussion about banking. Tell me about banking.
Sir, banking is a service sector whereby the bankers accept deposits and issues loans to the customers.
Good, very good. Now we will go to Raj Gupta. Raj Gupta. Raj Illada Gupta. क्या हुआ? करंट इंटरनेट नहीं है? बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए आपको, नौकरी चाहिए तो ऐसे में भी जब हम बुला रहे हैं तब आप इमीडिएटली बात करना शुरू करना। बोलो राज गुप्ता, विनीश, विनीश,
Yes, sir.
tell about bank talks,
Yes, sir.
anything that comes to
uh,
your mind about banking.
Yes,
बात करो.
in addition to that, banking also provides loans to the customers, and whereas there are different types of loans in the banking, like agriculture loan, property loan, etc. And also banking canvas the various third-party products for like insurance, mutual funds, health insurance, in the type of insurance, health insurance, and life insurance, etc.
Good, very good, very good. Now we will go to Vinish.
So just now I have spoken, sir.
Acha, just now we have spoken. I'm sorry. Then we have Akshay Mogan. Can you try now on banking?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So in my perspective, like the major object, the bank is a financial institution where it is used to store and protect money of others, and the primary objectives of a bank is to lend loans and at the same time for a bank to succeed in the for a bank to sustain in a long term, it is to make profits.
See, but now you have not conveyed any new point. Instead, you could have told about we have in banking, public sector bank, private sector bank, like that. You should have talked something new on. No? See, if you want to get attention, you must talk something concrete, something relevant. The points, all that you told are points that were already discussed by others. Akshay Mogan.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
follow?
Yes,
Okay.
sir, yes, sir.
So that way you must try to improve your thinking ability, analyzing ability, communication ability. Could you follow?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, very
Okay.
good. Now our Akshit is there. Akshit,
Yes,
yeah, please tell me something, whatever comes to your mind regarding banking.
a banking is a sector like other sectors in which there is a collection of banks and NBFCs and other financial institutions. So in banks, people can deposit their amounts and they can take loans whoever wants it. People can also invest through banks in mutual funds, in stocks, and there are different types of accounts in banks. Like we can open our trading account, we can open our saving account, we can open FD accounts, etc. So and bank also helps to boost the economy and stable the economy. Like RBI also maintains the monetary policy and controls other banks.
Sufficient. Good. Then we'll go to Sri. Sri, you are appearing for which interview?
Federal Bank, sir.
Federal Bank. Which date is your interview?
6, sir.
Have you fixed the date of mock interviews for you?
No, sir.
Which dates you want? First of May. Is it okay for you? 7 p.m.
Okay, sir.
Please tell me first 5 numbers of your cell phone.
5 numbers, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. 93
93.
902.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Sufficient. I will take care of that. Sri 93902. Please send a message to me. How much money have you paid? 305.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, wait a minute. Sri,
Yes.
how much money have you paid?
Yes, sir. I have to pay 200, sir, for you.
Acha. What happened? How much you paid already?
Only 100, sir.
Oh, acha. ठीक है. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will send tomorrow, sir.
Very good. No
Or
problem.
I will try to send now itself, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Then afterwards, second interview date, when you want, you send message to me. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Very good. Somebody wanted to speak. Who wanted to speak, please?
Sir, I'm Raj Gupta. I'm audible?
Yeah, Raj Gupta.
Yes. Actually, sir, my internet connection has gone, and that's why I'm not able to communicate that time.
Yeah, now can you
Uh,
talk? Can you talk
I-
some fresh points on banking?
Sir, only definition or anything
No,
else, sir?
anything that comes to you about banking. See, I told
Okay,
you
sir.
about GD.
Yes, sir.
Whenever a topic is given, we can analyze from 7 angles, 7
Okay,
Ws.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
now everybody has been told what is banking.
Okay, sir.
Now you can further enlarge it to different areas.
Sure, sir.
Tell me.
So, yes, sir. Sir, banking is a financial institution which accept deposit from the public for the purpose of lending and investment. By that means, sir, bank earn interest that stands for net interest income, and that is only the profit of that bank, sir. Sir, in our country, banking is prevalent to each and every corner of the country, sir. Banking provides boost to the economy from various means, sir. In the project context, sir, Indian banking sector is uh, performing very well in all over the context, even in the, sir, financial turmoil of this year also. Sir, Indian banking system has stay resilient in all the terms, sir, be it any kind of shocks or any kind of spillover, sir. Although
Not
I
bad.
must say,
Not bad.
oh,
Not bad. Sufficient. Not
okay, sir,
bad.
thank
But yeah, you wanted to continue with the starting properly. So you started with definition of banking. Otherwise, you could have gone into what are the different types of banks we have. What are the new advancements that are taking place in banking? What are the
okay, sir.
advancements that are likely to come into banking? You can
Okay, sir.
analyze from that way. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good.
Okay, sir.
So Akshay Mogan, this is group discussion.
Okay, sir. Understood.
And in this group discussion, the topics can be different type of topics. For example, 1 minute. For you people, what type of topics will be asked? In one South Indian Bank interview, they have asked some questions. Just a minute. Let me see from my computer whether I can get you. South Indian Bank GD topics. I am getting it. I think I will get it now. South Indian Bank GD topics. Yeah. 1 minute. Hold on. South Indian Bank GD topics. It gets frozen somewhat, though it is having 16 GB, it is getting frozen. I will send it to you. Please send a message to me, Akshay Mogan.
Yes,
And
sir.
if possible, I will post in our Telegram itself. I have posted earlier also in Telegram, long back, not now. I will, if I search whether I will get it, I'm not sure. If I search GD topics, if I search, if I get it, then you can see that yes, I got it now itself. Bob, I got it now itself in our GD topics. GD topics expected a role of government in regulating use of technology and internet. Is it the job of manager to do the right things or doing things rightly? Agriculture role in India and subsidies, problems and challenges, women empowerment and gender justice, then globalization. So how to copy it? Just a minute for 5 minutes. Kardia. Mr. Lucky Akshay Mogan, I am giving you the topic in our Telegram. Are you a member of my Telegram?
No, sir, I'm not.
Useless. Why have you not become a member? What
Sir,
have you been
I didn't
doing
know.
all these? What have you been doing all these days? 2, 3, 4, 5 days? Huh? Very sad. See, there should be brightness in you. There should be alertness in you. There should be willingness to succeed in you, Mr. What is your name? Akshay. Akshay, your first 5 numbers, cell phone number, tell me.
Sir, 94973.
94973. Okay. I am giving in your Telegram, in your WhatsApp itself. Please see that.
Okay.
I am giving also in our Telegram page. Join my Telegram group. Did I send you the link or not? You are not seeing what I am sending. You are not looking into what is being sent. Then how you can improve yourself? Tell me. Akshay Mogan. And you are a boy from Kerala. 100% chances are there for you to get the job. If only you follow whatever I am telling you properly. 100%. So there are more than 300 candidates in Federal Bank who have been recruited through our channel. More than 300, not 1 or 2. More than 300 candidates are there, clerks, officers, like that. So you should be more dynamic, Akshay Mogan. You must like English. You must like speaking. You must be more extrovert. You must enjoy communicating and be happy always. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Thank you for raising this point about GD. I could clarify your doubt in this regard. Regarding banking, all other things are same only, excepting that I have given you the folder for IDBI Bank. You can go through that. Then one more thing you have to do is to go through IDBI Bank website and get to know some individual details about their deposits, advances, profits, etc. Okay, which I will ask during the interviews. Akshay Mogan. And I told you to bring 1 or 2 students. Why could you not get them? Huh?
Sir, sir, I will, sir, I will.
No, you are, see, you are not getting me student. Okay, I am not having, that is a different point. It tells that you are not capable of influencing others, convincing others, getting new business. So that is what is being tested here. And of course, I am not giving you any extra remuneration for that. But even without remuneration, when you do it, but majority of you, what you are doing, you think that if I get somebody new, then he will get more marks, he will go, I will not get this job. It is not that way. If you bring more people, there will be more discussion here, more knowledge you can also learn. Anyhow, this is the best point I wanted to tell you. Best wishes. Now, Mr. Akshit, all these special things are only for Akshit because he has joined today. Invariably, whenever a person joins, I try to tell some new points. So this is what it is, Akshit Ilango. Akshit Ilango, I have sent an email to your placement in charge also. Akshit Ilango.
Yes, sir.
Akshit Congo. I have sent an email. I have sent an email to your placement in charge also. There was no cell phone number and all. Only email ID was there. I just sent it to him that this is the way in which I conduct. If some of you people want it, they can join like that. I have told him. If he communicates and some more people join, it's well and good. So that's what it is. In fact, similarly, if Akshay Mogan, if you can give me the email ID of your placement in charge, not your representative, placement in charge, I can send a mail to him. That's all. Your responsibility is over. At least, you know, you have the satisfaction of your having attempted. Similarly, Vinish, Raj Gupta and others. So if you are studying in a college, you can give the email ID of your placement in charge. I will send a mail. So far, I have sent mail for 3 or 4 people. Nobody has responded. That's okay for me. It is okay.
So sorry to interrupt you. I am actually, sir, preparing for Karnataka Bank PO, and also I'm preparing alone for the competitive examinations, sir. So I'm not in college, so that's why there is no connection for the Karnataka Bank PO as of now, sir.
No. You are appearing for which interview?
Karnataka Bank PO, sir.
Acha, you talked today only with me?
Yes, sir, for the reschedulement of mock interview.
Acha, what is your number?
Sir, it's 888-232.
Okay, that is okay, no problem. For you, no, not required.
Yes,
For
sir.
your Acha, I am confusing with another Akshit. There is
No issue, sir.
There is one more Akshit has joined today.
Okay,
He is
sir.
from NIT Hamirpur.
Okay.
Hamirpur कहाँ है? उत्तर प्रदेश ना?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
हाँ.
Sir, one Hamirpur is in Uttar Pradesh, but I am from Hamirpur, Himachal Pradesh.
अच्छा, you. Who is that boy?
Confusion.
Who is that boy now? Speaking. Akshit.
Sir, me, Akshit Kango, sir.
But
Akshit
of course, now you are appearing for Karnataka Bank only.
Sir, Akshit Kango is appearing for Federal Bank interview.
Achha. Federal Bank interview in NIT Hamirpur, Himachal Pradesh.
Exactly, sir.
अरे भाई आप तो हमको कंफ्यूज करा दिया, हमने तो हमीरपुर वाला उत्तर प्रदेश को भेज दिया.
Actually, sir, I have sent a message on WhatsApp that I am from Hamirpur, Himachal Pradesh.
हिमाचल प्रदेश. अच्छा, आपका कॉलेज का URL होगा तो भेज दो जी.
Sir, what college email ID?
ईमेल आईडी नहीं, आपको कॉलेज का वेबसाइट का लिंक.
Okay, sir, I will share you with you on WhatsApp.
That's WhatsApp, that will do. Thank you so much. Best wishes. God bless you. And similarly, Akshit, you also you try to bring in some new boys, 1 or 2 boys or girls into this, so that we will have more discussions. Okay.
So I have a question.
Yeah, welcome.
Can I ask her?
Yeah.
Sir, as I told you, I'm preparing for Karnataka Bank PO. Sir, my question is, actually, I have completed my graduation in way back 2017, and I have completed my master's from IGNOU in 2021. And obviously, sir, it is not a regular course, distance course. So by any means, sir, that it will affect my chances of selection in the Karnataka Bank PO in any case, sir?
No, but I think Karnataka Bank PO advertisement you have to see.
Yes.
I think somewhere I read that regular college students degrees only are eligible, and not correspond. I'm not remembering correctly. Can you send that advertisement to me?
Yes, sir, I can share you with the
Did you go
WhatsApp
through
number,
that
sir.
advertisement fully?
Yes, sir, I have gone through. There is no mention of regular degree, sir. And they have told me that any degree that is UGC recognized.
Then it is okay. Then don't worry. So that will not affect her. But then regarding questions, their expectations may be slightly lower from you, because the regular college students, उन लोग से तो ज्यादा expectation होगा, आपको आपसे थोड़ा कम होगा, बस और ज्यादा नहीं.
Okay, sir. So does it affect the chances of selection, sir? With your experience, sir, you can
Yeah,
say?
it will affect the chances of success, because your communication level, your confidence level का ऊपर में है. It depends on that. आप जितना confidence से बोल रहे हैं, जितना clarity से बोल रहे हैं, जितना अच्छा involvement से बोल रहे हैं, ये सब देखना पड़ेगा.
Okay, sir.
But again, for overcoming that, you have to answer the questions in a bright way, fadafat, like that.
Okay.
Achha,
okay,
but
sir.
Advertisement I am not seeing here in the website here. आपका पास होगा तो भेज दो.
Should I share now, sir?
Yeah, अभी share कर दो.
Just give me 10 seconds, sir. I will share you now.
If there is no mention about correspondence, then it is fine.
Okay, sir.
Mm,
Just 5 seconds, sir.
no problem. Just a minute. Yeah.
Sir, I've sent you.
You have sent me. Your number is 9.
888-232.
Yeah. Just a minute. I got it. I am only going through that eligibility portion, how to apply, important points, capital letters, application registration, button, guidelines, signature, scanning documents, then identity verification, guidelines, disability, scribe. Now, again, going back, it has escaped my attention. Application registration, payment of fees. Here, download application, online test, eligibility. Postgraduates in any discipline from a university or institution or board recognized by Government of India or UGC, other regulatory bodies are eligible to apply, excluding postgraduate diploma, 1 year executive MBA. As on 1/12/2022, you must be a postgraduate. You are eligible. You are eligible. Yes. Only thing is, there is some gap in your service and all, which can be filled in only if you answer after reading a lot about banking, after reading a lot about static GK, general GK, then current GK, and that's what is needed.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more question. Sir, actually, the degree is supposed to complete in 2 years, but I have taken 2.5 years. So, is that any issue with it?
I don't know. I don't think so. There won't be any issues. But are they having any condition that they have not mentioned any such condition that you should have scored 60% marks, you should have passed in your first attempt itself, which normally Federal Bank does. So here they have not told, so you are eligible only. Don't worry about it.
But sir, in biodata form, they have asked like just number of attempts in such a portion.
Then you mentioned that whatever number of attempts you have taken, you give it correctly.
Okay, sir.
Then they will decide based on that. I don't think there will be a disqualification on account of that. And if there is disqualification, they will tell you at the stage of interview itself.
Okay, sir. I hope, sir, that will not be the case.
That will not be a problem. So best wishes. But one problem with Karnataka Bank is that they will call so many number of candidates than the number of people they need. And they will select only a very few.
Okay, sir.
For example, I can't predict the number. 1:7 or 8. So when that be the case, the competition will be very severe. And you must answer very nicely. Best wishes.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So very good. So we will stop today's class with this, and tomorrow, Sunday, there will not be any class.
Sir, I have just one question, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry for that. Sir, like I am from a Bachelor of Technology Civil Engineering, sir. Is there any specific areas I should cover for this banking? Any other than
I have already given questions, civil engineering related questions. In
Federal Bank.
In the folder also it is there. It is there or not? Please tell me.
1 minute.
Yes, it is there. Subject questions folder, it is there. Hello. Subject questions folder, it is there. So you can see from there. Okay, please study. Very good. Anybody else? Any other questions you have? Otherwise, we will meet if possible on Monday, 8 o'clock as usual. Okay. And if I am going to be in the midst of interview, then the class will continue with interview only. It depends. So thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good
Thank-
night, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes. Yeah, best wishes. Thank you so much. I am in Canada, so please only send messages to me in WhatsApp and not call me because timing may be different.
Sir, I'm sorry, sir. My connection was interrupted. Sir, I could not able to find any special portion
No,
regarding.
it is there. It is there. I have seen just now. I have
So
seen
there's-
now. This is what it is. Subject questions. I am showing you this one. Under your folder, there are subject questions folder. And in that civil engineering interview guidelines, civil engineering guide interview book is also there. You can read that, but questions will not come out of this. They will ask you name of famous civil engineering companies, topmost civil engineering companies. What are the civil engineering activities which are prominent now in our country? How much money has been allocated by a government in the budget? Then likewise, why are you not joining civil engineering? Why are you coming to back? This is how it will go. Okay.
And also another question. If they ask me to at the completion of the interview, if they ask me to ask any questions, what kind of questions I can ask them, sir?
My suggestion will be you will say, sorry, thank you, sir. I don't have any questions. I hope I answered your questions properly and I will be selected.
It is not necessary to
No,
ask
there is no necessity because most of us are not talking confidently. Most of us are not talking confidently. We are not very good in our subject or field of expression also. So that will land us into problem. Okay. Vinish. That's what it is. So my suggestion is please tell them there are no questions. Thank you. Just smile at them. That will do. They'll be happy with a smile from you. Thank you. Sri.
Sir, also like I was not in the part of paid Telegram groups. I was part of that 1600 members participants. Then only was part in this.
Did you pay money? Did you pay money for the interview?
Yes, sir. 405 I have paid.
Acha, then you send a message to me asking for Telegram link. I will give you.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Sri, why are you not attending classes regularly? Huh?
I'm listening the recorded videos.
What is the fun of that? Then why did you come today?
Yes, sir. It is little bit delayed, sir. Sorry, sir.
That's very bad. See, whenever we do anything, we should do it with full involvement, commitment, dedication, interest.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Without that, getting success is very difficult. If you are lucky, you'll be selected. Anyhow,
Okay.
I wish all of you best of luck. No class
Okay, sir.
tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, sir.